What are you, an illustrator or a painter? What's your purpose? You have to trust your eyes. Painting is atmosphere. It's color, tone. It's physical, it's emotional. What moves you? Don't paint just anything. Look, I'm using so much paint that I'm literally using my brush as a palette knife in alla prima. So it helps me draw the neutral aspect, meaning I'm already working on halftone. On the same token, you don't want to lose sight of it's a good strong north light, so do shadow first. That's classic. It's like drawing. Thin to thick, light to dark, soft to hard. Get it? Ethereal. Don't take a stand yet. Before you release your brush, where can you take that brush that explains the next passage? That's pushing and pulling. You draw with the paint. You bring the three horses together. Color, form, light. Value. Notice how shadow gives you a pattern? Don't lose your shadow. Keep it flat at first. Because then, with a very graceful stroke, you can come in and do a penumbra, an underplane, a bounced light. Now, can't leave the eyes like that. Corner. Corner, eyeball. She's starting to emerge. Working from life is fun and challenging at the same time because you have to trust your eye. Don't be defeated. It's an attitude. There's no glory in looking for a masterwork. Use everything as a gym workout. It may come, but go about it as if this is the last statement I'll ever make, but it's fun, right?